Well, good morning. Today is one of these days where we are going to be waiting on the showers and storms, which are coming in late this St. Patrick's Day evening. And there is going to be a pretty significant severe risk for much of the southeast. In fact, a severe weather outbreak is probable, it looks like, for areas to our north. And yes, the Louisiana southern tier, including New Orleans and the North Shore, will be at a risk of severe weather. In fact, a little higher risk than we usually see. There's the line of storms. You can see it way out to the west, and incredible to think that it's moving so fast. It's going to be here by this evening, even though right now it's at Dallas. We consider a long way away. You can see the severe thunderstorm watch boxes with this line of strong storms. And look at the severe risk for today. This is really something to see. You don't see the level 5, highest 5 out of 5 category for severe storms all that often issued from the Storm Prediction Center. And it's unfortunate to see it located just to our north over near Jackson, Mississippi. In fact, most of kind of the northern part of Mississippi and barely into Alabama is at that elevated risk. Very good chance to see at least some sort of tornadic activity there today. Also notice the moderate risk. That's level 4, and it extends now into our area. Most of our area, though, is at a pretty elevated level 3 enhanced risk of severe weather. That includes North Shore areas as well as the New Orleans metro area itself. So this is something we're going to have to take seriously this evening, especially when that line of storms that you see out to the west arrives here. South of New Orleans, we're at the more familiar for our area level 2, slight risk, but really all modes of severe weather will be possible late today. So this is not a morning event. It will be later today. High wind gusts, large hail, and isolated tornadoes possible. And if you're wondering what this hatched area is, that's the area where there is a greater tornado risk. And notice that that includes the North Shore from about Mandeville and Covington north through Tangipahoa and Washington parishes and into Pearl River County and part of Hancock County in Mississippi. So for today, we are certainly gearing up for strong to severe storms. Here's the timeline that we're looking at. Mainly dry, kind of windy, breezy, and warm conditions are expected for most of the day, actually. We stay dry through about noon. We may have a few storms starting to crop up in the afternoon, especially late afternoon. Those could be severe, but the bulk of the showers and storms will be coming tonight. You can see the timeline here around 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. I've been saying about 8 or 9 o'clock. And then by midnight, the rain's already ending and it's cooling down. So that's one good thing, that this is going to be a fast moving system, but we are going to have to take that threat seriously, and we'll be watching really closely for you, of course, all through this evening and into the early nighttime hours. As for this morning, we're in the 70s. We're looking for our winds to increase. In fact, we're at a wind advisory today. That means our winds may be up to 25 or 30 miles per hour. And look at this low pressure system. Extremely easy to find the spin here with our water vapor imagery. This is a 6-hour loop in the mid levels of the atmosphere, and you can just see how strong this is. Now, the upper low is going to track north of us across Arkansas, and that's why, and northern Mississippi, that's why we're not in the really most central part for the potential severe weather. We're kind of on the southern end of it, but still we will be there not too far from it as it sweeps off to the east, and then we also get the cold front. So today, highs about 84. It will be breezy, really more like windy, with those winds up to 25 miles per hour plus, and we're expecting the strong to severe storms more so, you can see, not so much in the morning at all, but toward the afternoon, and especially increasing tonight after sunset. So a little bit of a strange setup where we'll be talking about the severe risk all day, but we have to wait until really after sunset to get it moving in. Our winds, you can see, will be elevated, and a quick look at our high resolution model through lunchtime. Not much happening, a few showers possible. 2 p.m., couple of showers or storms not out of the question, but here we are at 8 p.m. with the main line of rain. 9:30 p.m. these could be strong to severe storms, and then by 11 p.m. and midnight the rain is leaving us behind. And then we've been talking about the cool down we're going to get. Tomorrow morning at this time we'll likely be dropping through the 50s with sunshine on the way and highs in the 60s lasting into the weekend. But stay alert today for sure, especially later on, as we'll be with you all through that potential for severe weather.